fixed that problem and got them what they needed. We also used the Defense Production Act to speed up the supply chain.
And part of that involves Pfizer, which is dramatically increasing its COVID-19 vaccine production now. And the company's CEO credits President Biden for breaking down obstacles to make that happen. The president is right now on Air Force One, headed back to Washington. Mid-Michigan Now anchor Stephanie Parkinson been tracking his visit to the Pfizer plant from her home studio. Steph, how many more vaccines are we talking about them producing now, and when do we expect to start seeing the shipments?
You know, starting next week, Mike, that Pfizer says they'll start increasing production significantly. And then they say within a few weeks that they will more than double the amount of shipments that they're making across the U.S. Right now, to give you an idea, they ship about 5 million doses of the COVID-19 vaccine a week. The CEO for Pfizer credits President Biden for making this happen by using the Defense Production Act and also helping Pfizer to secure critical materials and equipment that they say they desperately needed at their Michigan plant in Portage, which is where President Joe Biden was today. And while he was touring that facility, which was just a few hours ago, an employee told Biden that starting next week, 2 new lines will be able to produce 700,000 doses an hour. And that is what is allowing the company to more than double its vaccine shipments.
From hour one of this presidency, and to be honest, well before the elections, President Biden has demonstrated an understanding of the urgency of this pandemic.
This administration is going to be guided by science to save lives and to make lives better. That's why I wanted to come here, Albert, to thank you, to thank all the workers here in Kalamazoo.
Now, President Joe Biden says by late July, a COVID-19 vaccine will be available for any American who wants one, but did also stress just because they're available, it doesn't necessarily mean by that time they will all be administered. Live from my home studio, Stephanie Parkinson, Mid-Michigan Now.